Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off these widgets on your Windows 10 lock screen. So how to do this, let's get started. First, when you log into your PC, then you have to open settings. After this, go over to personalization and then click on lock screen. After this, click on this and then click on picture. After this, you have to click on this and then click on none. Once you do this, hopefully no widgets will come again on your lock screen. So yes, this is how you can do it, guys. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy. Whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.